So these people you see over here are not playing tug of war. They are really serious about their mission. In fact, when you talk about fishing in Africa, most of us do not have any idea what it takes to bring fish to the shore. Most people think that you just cast your net and catch the fish. But no, I'm here to tell you that before the fish comes to the shore, it takes strength, grace, determination, and passion before we're able to get fish to eat at home.
It's a banana. It's a banana. Obey my fano. Morning, I couldn't be jump away.
So in today's video, I'll be showing how fishermen cast their net and how they're able to drag the net and catch the fish for us. So I hope you share this video because it's an interesting one and for others to learn what our fishermen go through. And if you see or know any fisherman, try and give me a hug because their job is not for the weak. So I find myself on the ocean and honestly, I don't know my location because over here, they calculate the distance from shore by miles and also using compass and GPS. So if you have no idea of how to read compass and GPS, you never know your specific location unless they tell you. So it was Sunday morning and no special activities on the sea in the sense that there's no much canoe on the ocean. Very few people are only working. And as time passed by, we saw one canoe coming with a tall speed from afar. So as we're having conversation about this canoe and they were telling me where it's coming from and where it's going, it suddenly stopped on the sea. And I was told that, whoa, they've seen fish and they want to catch. And as a content creator myself, I was prepared. I wanted to see what was going on from that distance. So I had my drone with me and I sent my drone to their location. Trust me, it was 3 kilometers from my point to their location. So since fishermen are experts on the sea, they're able to detect or see schools of fish even when they are sailing. And also they can detect and know if they've bypassed the fish as well. So I was told that if I want to capture this scene, I need to be in a hurry because very soon they'll cast the net and start catching the fish. So as I was getting close, I saw that the net has already been casted. But then I have a different close shot from somewhere that is showing the inside of how the net goes into the sea. So this is how it is. So once they drop the balloon and the net follows, they will circle where they've seen the fish. They will now then speed the canoe so that they'll be able to make circle around the school of fish so that the fish do not escape. And this circle is made in a large circumference in the sense that they make sure that they've captured or surrounded the fish. So when the canoe gets to the starting point, one person drops in, and to my understanding, I believe the person beating or smashing the water is carrying the fish to go back so that the net can, whilst they are pulling the net, will capture them. And at this point, that's where the real energy is required. They use their physical strength to pull the net from the sea, and this is not for the weak. And again, this also reminds me of Proverbs our mother used to tell us that there's no time to waste on the sea. So whilst pulling the net, someone will be drumming, singing to give them energy, to give them that morale, the Jama kind of vibe, so that they can have the strength to pull the net. And also we have other people standing by, so in the sense that when someone gets tired, they swap. Pulling of this net can last for hours before everything get back to the canoe. And after all this energy and strength, when they're not able to catch the fish, it becomes cost 90 job. But when everything goes successful, it's a happy day for the fishermen. You see them all happy when they get back to the shore because it's not really easy to be on this field, a field of no return, and also coming home with a much success. Really a joyful moment. I've been there before, so I know how it feels. Yeah, so I hope you've learned something or seen something new about how fishermen catch their fish. And for Shizzle Manizzle, share this video or Kodo. Let's meet again.